background of the HEWENET project was the facts which are quite similar in both countries. First of all, the number of people working in the healthcare and wellness sector is quite big. In fact, in Finland it's about 15% of the workforce. And we noticed that in both countries the problem seems to be most of all first of all in the services quality and the quality of the management. What kind of management type the people are using. So this was the background, and we saw that there were many improvements to be done during this project. From Estonia and from Finland. So what we did in the project during 3 years was first of all training, seminars, altogether 18 seminars. And if you look at the numbers of how many were participating, almost 300 managers in both countries were participating. And what is also important is that they were coming from 30 different organizations. So we cover quite a lot of the sector. And the topics were chosen on the management topics, which we thought were very important to give more information for the participants. The first seminar was Strategic Planning and Finance Resource Management. The reason for this was because the healthcare and wellness managers have good knowledge in their own profession, but they don't know so much about the business knowledge, the finance things and things like this. So this was the first thing. The second was sort of special characteristics in the social and healthcare organizations, because they do have customers, but they are patients. So that's a little bit different. Then we carry on during the project. The third topic was how to manage competencies, changes and teams. So we gave the participants a lot of information how to manage modern organization, how to manage team, how to be a good leader. Then in the last spring, which was the final year, we had very good important topics. Future perspectives and trends in healthcare and wellness sector. What do we see in the future? Things like using more IT, using more technology, combining physical things and technological things. And the last seminar was looking for internalization export possibilities. We saw that in both countries this is the growing trend. In Estonia, we can actually see as a Finn, we can see it every day when we go to Tallinn. There are a lot of export services in dentist care, things like this. In Finland, we can see specialized clinics which are offering services for example, for Russians. And I think that's what were the main trainings. Then about the project results. We of course made an evaluation. We asked from the participants how do they feel what was the good things and the results of the projects. And first of all, most of them told that cross-border learning experience was very important. To get to know people on their own profession, on the thinking about and changing ideas. Of course, improved work techniques, skills, more business knowledge, and most important, networking. Because during the project we could see that they could benefit a lot on the networking. Also we could see that Finnish partners were visiting Estonia and the other way. And now when the project is almost ending, we can see that it will carry on between the partners, between the individual companies, because they have started the networking.